Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable public voice chat in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then we're going to go to the audio tab and find voice chat privacy. So here in this little drop down, we're going to open it up. And here you have public, so select public if you want your voice chat to be public, so you can talk with party members or the members that are just in your game. So once you've done that, just make sure to press save, and then you can exit out and your options will be applied. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.